Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to deactivate your Facebook account. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the Facebook app, and now you can see the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. After tapping on it, make sure if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. Now continue the video. You can just simply scroll down, and here you can now tap on settings and privacy. After this, you can now tap on settings again, and after this, you can now tap on see more in account center. And here you can just simply scroll down and you can tap on personal details in account settings, and you can see the option account ownership and control. Tap on it, and after this you can now tap on deactivation or deletion, and it is the way you can select the account that you deactivate. I can select this account. After this, you can now tap on deactivate account or now tap on continue. After tapping on continue, the account is deactivated on Facebook. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help? Drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.